Alright guys, this Tesla Model S Plaid is finally completed, so I moved it outside so that you get a better overall view of the completed product, and here it is. A full-body custom SatinGuard PPF installation, fully custom installed so that it is as seamless as possible. Now, as you may recall, when this car first came to us, the paint condition was in pretty horrid conditions with etchings, scratches, stains all over the place. So what we did to begin this project was a full paint correction before any film went on, and what you have here is ultimately the final result. Now, for the Tesla Model S, or Teslas in general, overall they're fairly simple with the exception of 3 panels, which are the front bumper, the mirrors, and the rear trunk. So for the rest of this video, let's actually go through some of the details and give you a closer up look at those panels. Now, first off, the front bumper. This in general is a little bit more difficult in the sense that when this is done with a pre-cut template, you would get a joining seam right along over here and also another joining seam right along here. As you can see, this was done with a one-piece film, custom installed, so that wherever possible, where we could wrap the film, we wrap the film, and where we could not, we would bring the film right up to the panel edge so that this looks like a bumper that came from the factory painted this way.